Hi everyone, I'm Phillip with iRobot, and in this video we'll be taking a closer look at the Roomba Vac 2 Essential Robot plus AutoEmpty Dock. This Roomba is perfect for anyone looking for a powerful yet convenient clean and who doesn't want to have to worry about emptying the Roomba's bin for multiple months at a time. So first, let's take a quick look at what comes inside the box, then we'll take a closer look at the Roomba itself. So this was everything that came in the box for the Roomba Vac 2 Essential Robot. We've got the Roomba itself, and here's the edge sweeping brush that easily attaches on. Then you want to actually pull out these bumper guards here. This is the AutoEmpty Dock to go along with one extra filter, a quick start guide, and this cardboard insert where if you scan this QR code, this will help you add your new Roomba to the iRobot Home app, where it'll provide you with a step-by-step guide, both to add it to the app and to connect it to your Wi-Fi so you can control this robot from anywhere. Just like with all the other iRobot products out there, the Roomba Vac 2 Essential Robot is going to provide you with simple but effective cleaning. It'll clean in neat rows, so row by row cleaning. It can clean on all floor types, so name the floor type, we can cover it. And if you notice the size of this Roomba, it means it can get in those hard to reach areas that we often forget about. So think under the couch, the entertainment center, the bed, and in between the legs on tables and chairs. Oh, and for those of you that have multiple floors in your home, don't worry, Roomba still doesn't fall downstairs either. Now you might be wondering, how do you get Roomba to start cleaning in your home? Well, you have multiple options and all are just as easy to do. Whether you want to press the clean button on the Roomba itself, a couple taps through the iRobot Home app, or a simple voice command to your favorite voice assistant enabled device will get Roomba to start cleaning your home. The Roomba Vac 2 Essential has a ton of great benefits, so I'm just going to highlight a few of my personal favorites that I know you're going to love too. It has really strong suction power, but what makes it even better is that you can easily raise or lower it through the iRobot Home app. If it starts to run low on its battery before the cleaning job's complete, Roomba is smart enough to head home to its base, recharge its battery, and pick up where it left off. And as an owner of 3 dogs who literally shed year-round, this last one is my absolute favorite, and that is the AutoEmpty Dock. This will take all the dirt, dust, and plenty of dog hair in my scenario that Roomba just picked up off the floors in your home and automatically empty it at the end of the cleaning mission into an enclosed disposable bag that can hold up to 60 days. How great is it to know that each day you come home from work, that Roomba can provide you with deep cleaning, get everywhere in your home, and don't have to worry about whether the bin is completely full before the job is complete. Alright, I know that was a lot of information, so before we get out of here, we're going to recap quickly. The Roomba Vac 2 Essential Robot will clean in neat rows on all floor types, and because of the size of this robot, can get in those hard to reach areas we often forget about. It has some serious suction power that can be easily adjusted in the iRobot Home app, and the AutoEmpty Dock is going to allow you to forget about emptying the Roomba's bin for up to 60 days. So if you've loved everything about this Roomba so far, but wish it had some form of mopping to it, we've got you covered there as well. Just look for the Roomba Combo 2 Essential Robot plus AutoEmpty Dock, and this is going to be the same exact robot that you see here, but with the addition of a mopping pad underneath, we'll turn this robot vacuum into a robot vacuum and mop. This robot's ideal for primarily hard floors in your home, with the occasional mopping experience that you want in like a kitchen or in the bathrooms. Alright, that does it on this video for the Roomba Vac 2 Essential Robot plus AutoEmpty Dock. This is the ideal first Roomba for you to own, and you should let us worry about picking up dirt and debris while you focus on anything other than vacuuming the floors of your home. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.